Hi guys, yes, welcome to day 4 of Excel with Word for SME. And today we are moving in gradually. If you can remember, yesterday we talked about the functionality and introduction to the interface of the mobile Microsoft E365 mobile. So now today we are starting. So I will be introducing you to the Excel sheet. So here we go. From this you can see the plus icon towards the right, downward. So when you click on this plus icon, then you see quick capture, scan, voice, then create. You see Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, and forms. Because we are dealing with Excel, so we'll be clicking on the Excel. And when I click on the Excel, so Excel, if you want to make an Excel file with your mobile, you can do it with scanning. That is, you have to scan. You have something like a table, you can scan. I'm gonna show you something related to it now. I have like a table with me which I can scan. So, or you work from blank workbook on the platform which you start afresh on your home, or you follow a template that has already been installed in the application. And so let's start with the scan template. So the scanning, now I have a table here which I want to scan. So let me just scan for you so that you can see it. So this is you can see something like this. Now I've scanned it. So what it's doing now is to extract table. One thing that you must know, that before you use this feature, you must be connected to a stable internet. To what? To a stable internet. You can see it has print the table based on what it was able to scan. I don't know if you are getting it. Can you see what was at the top? The time. So facilitator, secretariat, so everything just exactly as it was. So if I like, I can just click on copy, or I can open directly. So if I click on open directly, that will be the best, since I want to put it in Excel. So bye bye to the only days that you just take file and be creating your table from scratch. You can just scan and create your document on the go. So that's the benefit of this mobile application. So it's very easier and handy for you. So when you now click on this open, say 91 item need your review. It shows that there are 91 of this document that the thing cannot see. If you notice, when I want to take the picture, I bend because I don't want the image of the shadow of my phone mobile to show. I have to bend it before it's now restructure it. So those ones that are so far are the one that it can't guess very well. So that's why it says 91 items needs my review. Understand? So if you now say if I can choose to review all if I open it, or I can open it and direct. So let me click on review all first. So now today, the first one, 2-day LDA level training. So it's one thing in Enugu State. So if it is okay, I've said ignore. It's okay. It's the same thing that is there. The next one, organized by National Orientation Agency in collaboration with who? You didn't know those persons. So in collaboration with, so I have to include it. UNICEF. UNICEF. I hope you are getting me. I said done. So the UNICEF was not there before, but now it's here. I said done. Now it said day 2. Day 2. There is nothing like this date, which is 12. And 13 or to 13. 12 to 13th November. So this is how you continue to November 2021. Venue Garnic Hotel. It doesn't see it as hotel. Are you with me? Enugu. And time done. The time is what? So here it says time. Which is 9:00. 9:00 done to 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. done. 12th done. Facilitator ignore. November 2021 ignore. Arrival and registration, not arrival and registration. Then this here is 9:30 to 10 o'clock a.m. Done. So opening prayer and self-introduction. Opening prayers. So you couldn't get the opening prayers. So opening prayers / self-introduction. So this is how everything will be going. So what I just need is to ignore all. Ignore because there are a lot of time for me. I don't have much time. Are you with me? So once I'm done with this, so I cannot finish everything at once. Are you with me? So because of time, so I have to ignore all. Now I'm done. Open. Now that I'm done, let's try to create the document. Shall we that you have seen it? So at least to some extent, you know that this guy tried. So you can easily edit your document. Are you with me? So this is how the first one goes. Whenever you see you have any paper or document you want to scan, you just scan directly, then make sure you edit. Once you are able to edit or correct what is missing there, so the rest will be so easier for you to do. So and that is all for today. Tomorrow we shall do the next phase on of the Excel. So have a wonderful day. Bye bye.